wonder how many of you guys remember how 3 Miles looked probably 5 years ago. It was a totally different scene. So as you know, I'm Rush. I'm the Discover Boss, and welcome back to my channel. So it's another driving video. We're driving from the Texaco at 3 Miles, where we have the relatively new overhead bridges, and we're gonna be driving along Marcus Garvey Drive to downtown Kingston. We're gonna end the video at the new Yardman gas station in downtown Kingston. So that's the plan, that's the drive. Remember, subscribing is free, so definitely subscribe. So this is the driving along the 3 Miles overpass built by the Chinese to reduce, you know, traffic congestion in this area and make it a faster traverse. It was one of those major infrastructure development for Jamaica. Multiple videos are on my channel as well, covering the progress of the work from start to finish. So we're approaching Marcus Garvey Drive. Now we have the minor airport, Kingston Airdrome on the left. You guys may not see it that well. So they're doing some upgrade to their fencing, their perimeter fencing, making the fence much taller. So that's the Kingston private airport. And over on the right is the Kingston Wharves, where all the containers come in, other goods, vehicles, you know, shipping related. You know, police usually around this corner trying to get some speed in. You know, probably 3 weeks ago, they stopped me for going a few kilometers above the speed limit, but they gave me a blind, so I didn't get a ticket. Any of you guys have ever gotten a blind before for a speeding ticket? Let me know in the comments. Driving along Marcus Garvey Drive, heading towards downtown Kingston. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share as well. And remember, subscribing is free. So a very busy thoroughfare, Marcus Garvey Drive. Another city drive from 3 Miles to downtown Kingston, and as I mentioned, we're gonna stop over the new gas station downtown. Probably some of you guys have never gone over there as yet. I've not gone over there as yet. So if it's the first time you're gonna go over there, leave a comment. So it's a local business owner. I think he has some other local company. I think he's popular downtown as well. And I think he used to do, or probably still does, the cooking gas cylinders. And now he has ventured into, you know, a gas station. Prices aren't bad, in all honesty. So I think he's competing on price. And I haven't heard any complaints on the quality of the gas. So let's see. So we have Petrojam on the right over this side. And a lot of other companies like Nutramix and a lot of companies, industrial companies as well. Garmex free zone. So we just passed Garmex on the left. Industrial terrace is that left turn, brings you back onto Spanish Town Road. The nature mixed with those metal cylinder tanks. Separate on the left. Approaching Yardman gas station. So it has the Jamaican colors. They have not opened the convenience stores yet. So but this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps. And then you know a car can be on either side, so that's 8 cars can be taking gas. So Yardman gas station, local businessman. Right beside Beryllium corporate head office. You know, Beryllium is in the news, you know, bank ice and stuff. I take the left, which brings us into the downtown market district. So in the downtown market area, we have parking on the left and the right. Alright guys, so we'll be ending the video here. We'll be looking some parking. Alright, let me just go to the end of this road and turn around. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate you guys, really appreciate the support. The other day for weeks upon weeks, there was raw sewage running right here, right through the downtown, right through the market area. It's just running non-stop for weeks upon weeks until it's fixed. So, see you guys on another video. Different people shopping. So we have different people shopping, and it's back to school right now. So everybody's preparing for school. sell fish, fresh catch fish. Alright guys, see you on another video.